So it's colour change day. Thank you for all your suggestions, noted, and we'll probably use those colours on other vices. But today's colour is suggested by David Coates. Bronze. Oil rubbed metallic bronze. Here's what it looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. And remember, every freshly painted and clean vice needs a drink. This one's even labelled where you put the drink. Now, it was widely believed that every vice that was red made by Record denoted that it was made from solid steel. Unfortunately, no Record Auto Vice 74 was made from solid steel. They were all cast. The patent date on this one, the patent there ending in 28, denotes 1928, and this was made until the late 40s. Then the jaw changed. If we look at the jaw from overhead, you can see it is wider on one side than the other. Incidentally, if you do have one that says patent pending, you've got one that was made between July 1928 and May 1929. Here's a lovely old advert for it. Back then, it cost the same as a Record 4. But the 74 has a hardened steel and removable anvil and a beak. And pipe jaws, the left one, which is removable. And also this built-in grooved pipe bender, number 17. It also had a couple of optional extras, which were fibre jaw grips as normal, and a cylinder head holding plug, which was a hexagonal rod with 2 screw threads designed to insert into the threaded cylinder head holes, so you could hold the cylinder head while working on it. Also, in the side are 2 holes which are valve holders, which can support a valve stem of an internal combustion engine for use in straightening bolts or rods. Now I think this has turned out even better than the last one I done, which there will be a link to at the end showing the full strip down, clean and rebuild. That's why I've not done it this time, because I've already done it once. So if you want to watch it, click the link at the end. Yes, I know the very bottom of the base is missing, but it works so much better like this. You haven't got to undo anything, you can just turn it round and you've got a 360-degree vice.